from top to bottom. And all you do is drag down. And that shows everyone on one side. Then we can go up. That was B side, which is us currently.
Okay.
I can look at A side, heat pump 1.
What does that icon mean right there?
Showing units.
Okay.
And then I can look at B side, all of them. Then I can adjust heat point, cool point, fan speeds. I can do schedules. Again, we're not gonna do that yet. But if they abuse it, I'll come in, lock it down and set points.
Alright. So if a code comes up, it'll pop up on the thermostat over there, and I can come over here and see what the actual problem is.
Within reason.
Okay, yeah.
It's not gonna tell you what the problem is.
Okay.
Let's say it displays a code 80. It has water and a pump is full, not running. So as that happens, it turns the head off so it doesn't leak. Then I can look at histories, you know, how long it's ran, at what hours, and this and that. And I can look at, like, that one, cool set point change. I can tell you what room someone did that in. So everything you do up there records here.
So we can see if one room is specifically is going back and forth to heat, has it too much, too cold. Yep. Well, okay.
And again, I can schedule. I'm not getting into it.
Okay.
It causes too many issues.
Of course, of course.
But that's the setup. It's
That's it.